Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Vader, let's go! You're on!
There's no such thing! I mean it! That spaceship fell over a raja!
To St. Louis, a Chaplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
I can't believe any of this. People are going to be so disappointed to hear that the concert's off.
And you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Where's Sweet Pea? My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
Dream to be the real race car. A pit stop.
Pit stop?
Te gusta nuestra tierra, citadino?
No tanto como la mía.
Unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
This is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night.
Belle needs help! Belle, what's wrong?
Now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
No way.
Yes, why?
It all started when one day...
He can do it. He's got the horsepower. So what do you want him to do?
Fix the road!
Because we are.
What? Me? Got to be crazy.
I figured it out when I realized y'all...
Hey! Was that floating like a Cadillac? Or was that stinging like a...
Pretty.
En route.
Trooper responding. Where's Vader? Right behind. Put it in reverse, pal. Make way.
Not my turn. Don't.
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen!
McQueen tiene que alcanzarlo. Está intentando por dentro. ¡Wow! Es como un...
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
All right now, let's have us a little look-see.
Doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound. The first time I saved him, if I recall correctly.
Queen's the winner! Francesco second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
Cantare con me, Duda, Duda, macchinine con rotine, oh da Duda.